the top, which is for the donkeys. And then underneath you have a second cup. And there is nectar for the birds. Asparagus piece for the tortoises. And then coins to feed what was the other one?
We'll find out.
To feed the other animals.
We'll find out.
The kids loved feeding the donkeys, and they were so friendly. There were deer, ducks. I guess that's what the coins were for. Rabbits. Sheep. Ostrich, which, yes, they do bite. A monster truck you could ride. There was a goat penthouse. Tortoises. Beautiful birds to feed. And at the end, they even had steak.